Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best CashU Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have CashU Option. CashU Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, CashU Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, CashU Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. CashU Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. CashU Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. CashU Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. CashU Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, CashU Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. At number 4 in our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly forex broker that was founded in 2009 and is based in the United Kingdom. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and FCA, and currently have over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM account, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers a total of 4 trading account types, and all accounts except for the shares account have a minimum deposit requirement of $5 with no commission fees. All accounts also have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. In addition to these 4 trading accounts, XM also offers a demo account with a virtual balance of $100,000, and you can choose a platform type, a base currency for your demo account, an account type, the leverage you would like, and the amount you want to invest. For clients of the Muslim faith, XM also allows all accounts to be converted to swap-free accounts. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news, a variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and more. More experienced traders can use advanced trading tools such as MQL5 and Forex calculators, if you are searching for any additional resources with XM. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is EZ Markets. EZ Markets is a renowned online trading platform that offers accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a commitment to providing simplicity and convenience, EZ Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Through its intuitive interface and comprehensive educational resources, Easy Markets strives to make trading straightforward and profitable for its diverse clientele. The broker offers a wide array of market instruments to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from Forex currency pairs and commodities to indices and cryptocurrencies. Their platform provides access to over 200 financial assets. With competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets empowers traders to explore and trade various markets with confidence and ease. Easy Markets offers cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders. Their platforms include the Easy Markets proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the TradingView trading platform. With their user-friendly interface and powerful features, their platforms provide seamless access to global markets. Whether you're at home or on the go, the broker's trading platforms ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, empowering traders to stay connected and capitalize on market opportunities anytime, anywhere. Easy Markets offers a range of trading accounts designed to accommodate the needs of traders at different experience levels. These accounts include the standard, premium, and VIP account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, Easy Markets provides account options tailored to your preferences and trading style. With features like competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and dedicated customer support, Easy Markets ensures a seamless trading experience for all its clients. Additionally, each account type comes with access to a variety of trading tools and educational resources to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about the markets. The broker provides a diverse range of educational resources tailored to suit traders of varying skill levels and interests. Their platform offers access to an extensive library of video tutorials, insightful articles, engaging webinars, informative ebooks, and interactive courses. These resources cover a wide range of topics, including trading basics, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, their educational material are designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the financial markets. Overall, Easy Markets stands as a trusted online trading platform committed to providing accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a focus on simplicity, transparency, and customer satisfaction, Easy Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets with confidence. Through its intuitive interface, comprehensive educational resources, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets continues to strive for excellence in delivering a seamless and rewarding trading experience for its diverse clientele. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CashU Forex brokers, we have FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. And those are some of the top 5 best CashU Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.